Welcome to How to Do. In this quick video, let's talk about the most common mistakes people make when using the if function in Excel, and how to avoid them. Mistake 1, missing quotation marks around text. First, forgetting quotation marks around text values. If your if function returns words like pass or fail, always put them in quotation marks. For example, equals if A2 is greater than or equal 50 then comma then word pass within quotation mark. Then again comma and word fail within again quotation mark, not, equals if A2 is greater than or equal 50. Then not just pass or fail words. Without quotes, Excel thinks pass or fail is as a formula and throws an error. Mistake 2, wrong logical test. Second, incorrect logical tests. For example, equals if A2 equal 50 is incomplete. You must add both outcomes, what to return if it's true, and what if it's false. It should be, equals if A2 equal 50 if true result will be yes and then if false result will be no, dot. Mistake number 3, number stored as text. Next, comparing numbers that are actually stored as text. If your data is in quotes or has a hidden format, Excel might not recognize it as a number. Use the value function or convert text to numbers to fix it. Mistake 4, nesting too many ifs. Another common error, nesting too many if functions. You can nest up to 64 ifs in Excel, but it gets messy and hard to follow. Instead, use the ifs function or combine with VLOOKUP or switch for cleaner logic. How to use nested ifs in Excel will be discussed in another video. Mistake 5, misplaced parentheses or commas. Finally, watch out for misplaced parentheses and commas. A missing bracket or extra comma will break the formula. If Excel shows a formula error, double-check the structure and order of your if function. And there you go, avoid these mistakes and your if functions will work perfectly every time. Want to learn more about nested ifs, or combining if with and/or? Stay tuned, more tutorials are coming your way. Like, share, and subscribe for quick Excel tips that save your time.